Hello everyone, welcome to this series on using the Batch Web Data Exporter version 2. Today we're going to have a little look at filtering your stock. So this will be relevant for full exports and changes exports. So if we click configure categories here, you can see we just have a list of all of our shop categories, and we can choose to include them in the export by just clicking on the ones that we want, and those will be included as we specify. We can select all if we want, or select none. Okay, so we'll just click a few here. Okay, so that's going to define which titles are exported when we do a file export, when we do a data upload, or when we are transferring title data in sync mode. Okay, the other option is a custom filter. So if we click on custom filter, configure filter, we'll find that we can define our own custom SQL to select titles. So what you can see here is that I've selected, what we've got here is all of the fields that exist on your stock table in your database, and you can define how you want to select titles based on these. So you probably need to know a little bit of SQL to do this. So in this case, I've selected core flag equals Y. So I'll save that, and that means all the stock that is selected will only be the ones where they're set as core stock. If we wanted to add to that, we can put a logical term in here. So where core flag equals yes and author forename does not equal Smith. Okay, so that's going to select items from our stock where they are set as core stock, but the author forename isn't Smith. Okay, and we can continue to add extra terms here, and you can choose whatever you want, and it will create a custom SQL query for you. If you don't know much about SQL, this may not be very useful, but it's actually quite powerful. You can define where the brackets go here. With a combination of that and the logical operators, you can actually create quite powerful queries. Yeah, so there you go. That's how to define a custom filter in the Batch Web Data Exporter. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon.